All right, let's talk about your forecast right now because John Shumway had it exactly right earlier. There's enough rain coming down intermittently that you can't decide what to set the wipers on, really.
Not fast, not slow,
Right.
but it's like Goldilocks,
Okay, yeah, I can see that.
You gotta get
yeah.
right in the middle.
Right, yeah, there's no perfect setting when you're going into work or school today. It's going to be raining. You see the rain out there right now. Pretty much everyone dealing with the rain. This is going to be fairly steady up until about 6 o'clock today. So just kind of pack the patience when you're heading out. Know that other people are having to deal with the same conditions that you are today. Do want to talk just really quickly about our flood risk. If you're in low-lying areas, some of those small creeks around you, we are under a margin. What they call the excessive rain outlook is what you're looking at here. We're under a marginal risk of seeing any type of flooding here. Slight risk is going to start from Bedford County and head off to both the east and then down to the south. In fact, parts of West Virginia already this morning are under a flood watch because of the rain that they have seen. For us, this is model data, so we're going to continue to see a fairly steady rain all the way up until about 6 o'clock or so, and then it'll be more scattered to isolated the rest of the night. If you are over in Somerset County or to the east, though, your rain chances are going to stick around a little bit longer than that. So the red line there, this is the Pittsburgh rain forecast. You can see widespread this morning to scattered as we're heading into the afternoon, and that's where we'll stay through around 6 o'clock, and then we'll see those rain chances going down. Newcastle up in Lawrence County. This is what you're looking at. Pretty much the same. It looks very similar to what we're going to see in Pittsburgh. Finally, the last one, this is Somerset. Notice that we stay widespread, so your rain totals are going to be higher all the way up until about 5 or 6 o'clock. Then we start to see that rain easing as well. You get back to around what we're dealing with in Pittsburgh and the Newcastle area, but you are also going to see plenty of rain. Rain chances do stick around both Wednesday, and a severe weather risk will be around both Thursday and Friday, and that'll all wrap up on Saturday is what it looks like at this time. Temperature right now at 62 out there. Winds out of the east at 8 miles an hour. Our dew points all the way up to 61 degrees at this time. Here's those temperatures. Because of the rain, pretty much everyone, you're about 62, 63, or 61 this morning. And our high temperatures today not too far off from where we are right now. I just have Pittsburgh coming in at 69 degrees. Let's go in and show you the hourlies here. 9 o'clock, 65, 67 at noon. Your 3 o'clock temperature right there at 68 and 6 o'clock temperature at 67. Wednesday, not as cool as what we're seeing today. We'll be a little bit warmer. We'll have some bigger gaps in the rain. Still a rain chance will be there, especially into the afternoon. I'll put the noon temperature at 73, 75 at 3 o'clock, and your 6 o'clock temperature still up there into the 70s. 80s for highs Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But then we start to cool back off. Sunday, we're looking at a high of 75, 72 on Monday, and 74 the high on Tuesday.